Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite extension cords. We've got the YICTENCRD extension cord. This is how it comes. I'm going to show you what you get. Today we are looking at the 6-foot model. You can see that waterproof LED switch in the middle. That is a really unique feature that it's a waterproof switch. The body of the cord is waterproof, so the only thing you need to actually cover are the ends. You can see at a glance when the power is on because that LED light will show up for you bright and red. It's built with a durable 14AWG SJTW 3-prong grounded wire and equipped with an NEMA 5-15P and NEMA 5-15R connectors. It supports up to 15 amps, 125 volts, 1875 watts for stable and reliable power transmission. It's durable. It's got a vinyl cord jacket that protects the internal wiring while maintaining excellent flexibility. It's designed for long-term use with reliable conductivity, efficient heat dissipation, and enhanced durability against wear and bending. There's no installation required. Just plug it in, connect it, click the button on, and you're set. No electrician needed. Reduces frequent plugging and unplugging for added convenience and safety. So it's perfect for fountains, RVs, power tools. It is not a thin, cheap cord. It comes in 5 different lengths: 1.5 foot, 3 foot, 6 foot, 10 foot, and 15 foot. We've got the 6 foot here for the video today. Pick whatever one fits your setup. It's perfect for outdoor Christmas lights, which is one of the applications I use this type of switch for. It's also great for patio string lights, garden lights, deck lighting, fountains, RV equipment, office electronics, kitchen appliances, and many other devices that require the convenience of one-button control. Now, one of the scenarios I really like this type of cord for is here by the bar. I have this drink fridge, and the drink fridge is not one that we use all the time. And so it's really convenient to be able to just come by here, turn that off, and have it turn off. And then when I put some drinks in there for guests, I turn that back on, and we've got it back on again. So it makes it real easy, a lot easier than plugging and unplugging. I also like these kinds of switches for high draw devices. I use them on my outdoor heaters as well. And so, especially with the switch being waterproof, and I already use the electrical protector covers for the non-waterproof ends, it's a really nice ability for me to just flip the switch and have the device turn on. YICTENCRD has a lot of options on their Amazon storefront, so be sure to check them out. As I mentioned, the inline switch is indeed waterproof. However, the ends are not. So if you're going to use them in a place where they might get wet, such as outdoors, there are many, many electrical covers that can be used to make the whole thing fairly waterproof. Overall, this YICTENCRD extension cord with a waterproof switch is a really great option for folks that have a use case that requires the ability to turn an item on and off without unplugging it. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my videos. Thanks so much. Please be sure to hit that like button. Bye.